Can gutters be installed on homes without fascia board? It's a question we get all the time, especially from homeowners with older houses, custom builds, or properties with exposed rafter tails. And the short answer is yes. Gutters can absolutely be installed without fascia boards, but how it's done, how well it performs, and how long it lasts depends entirely on the method used and the condition of the home. Traditionally, gutters are mounted directly to a fascia board, which is the vertical board that runs along the roofline and caps the ends of the rafters. The fascia gives installers a solid, straight surface to attach gutter hangers, which helps keep the system level and secure and properly pitched for water flow. But when a home doesn't have fascia, that doesn't mean you're out of options. One of the most common alternatives is using rafter-mounted brackets, or strap hangers. These systems attach directly to the roof rafters or rafter tails and extend under the roof material to support the gutter from above. When installed correctly, this method can be extremely strong and reliable, especially on homes where the rafter tails are exposed and structurally sound. Another option in some cases is installing a fascia-style board specifically for gutter attachment. This doesn't mean rebuilding your roof. It can be a custom trim solution designed to provide a clean mounting surface while also improving the overall appearance of the roofline. This approach is often recommended when the rafters are uneven, weathered, or not spaced in a way that allows for consistent gutter support. It's important to understand that installing gutters without fascia board requires a higher level of precision and expertise. Proper pitch becomes even more crucial because there's less forgiveness if the mounting points aren't perfectly aligned. Water must flow smoothly toward the downspouts, and any sagging or misalignment can lead to standing water, overflow, or premature failure of your system. There are also material considerations. Aluminum gutters are lightweight and commonly used with strap hangers, while heavier metals like steel or copper may require additional reinforcement or custom mounting solutions. Climate plays a role too. In areas with heavy rain, snow, or ice, the gutter system must be strong enough to handle the added weight without pulling away from the roof. This is why professional installation matters so much in these scenarios. A one-size-fits-all approach simply doesn't work. Every home is different, and factors like roof pitch, rafter spacing, roofing material, and drainage needs all affect the final solution. From a visual standpoint, gutters installed without fascia can look clean and intentional when done right. With properly sized gutters, well-placed downspouts, and color-matched hardware, the system can blend seamlessly with the home's exterior instead of looking like an afterthought. On the flip side, a poor install can be very noticeable and can even cause long-term damage to the roof, siding, or foundation. That's why the real question isn't just whether gutters can be installed without fascia boards, it's whether they're being installed the right way for your specific home. At the Brothers That Just Do Gutters, we specialize in custom solutions, and that includes homes that don't follow the standard playbook. If your house doesn't have fascia boards, it doesn't mean you have to live without gutters or settle for a subpar system. With the right approach, the right materials, and the right expertise, you can still protect your home from water damage and get a gutter system that performs and lasts for years. If you're unsure what options are best for your home, that's exactly where a professional evaluation makes all the difference. If you liked this video and found it informative, please give it a like and a comment, and hit subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next video.